Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales strategies with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build effective sales strategies with HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard from the main menu. Familiarize yourself with the various tools available, such as the CRM, email tracking, and pipeline management. Begin by defining your sales goals. Specify what success looks like for your team, whether it's increasing revenue, generating leads, or improving customer retention. Next, leverage HubSpot's CRM to organize your contacts. Import your existing leads and customer data into the CRM for easy access. Once your contacts are uploaded, segment them based on criteria like industry, company size, or location. Create customized properties in HubSpot to capture any specific data points relevant to your sales strategy. Now, develop a sales pipeline that reflects your sales process. Go to the pipeline section and create stages that align with your sales journey, from lead qualification to closing deals. Implement automation where possible. Set up email sequences to nurture leads and automate follow-ups to ensure no potential sales slip through the cracks. Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze your sales performance. Monitor metrics like deal stage conversion rates, average deal size, and sales cycle length. Engage with your team for continuous feedback. Hold regular meetings to assess the effectiveness of your sales strategies and make necessary adjustments. Incorporate additional HubSpot tools such as lead scoring and sales workflows to enhance your strategy. Use lead scoring to prioritize high-potential leads and tailor your approach accordingly. Continue refining your strategy based on performance data and changing market conditions. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure alignment with your business objectives. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful sales strategy using HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.